The importance of health research can provide important information about disease trends and risk factors, treatment outcomes or public health interventions, functional abilities, patterns of care, and healthcare costs and use. On the other hand, safety research is a continuous effort to improve upon existing products, tools, materials, systems, and equipment to ensure the safe execution of the task. Enhancing safety measures in an area of constant focus for companies and regulators alike as efforts minimize accidents and risk in the workplace. Modern life is full of hassles, deadlines, frustration, anxiety, and demands. Having a cluttered living space can create stress alongside unhealthy habits that becomes normality or an unhealthy routine such as excessive smoking and drinking. Another one would be eating too much or too little. The lack of physical activity is also a common cause of stress, especially with the COVID pandemic hindering us from leaving our homes for our safety. Another thing that's sacrificed in a busy person's life is sleep. The lack of sleep may affect a person's health and performance considerably, and that's just the beginning. As your health advocate, I advise you to stop these unhealthy habits that may threaten your life. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. A healthy lifestyle means doing things that makes you happy and feel good without harming yourself. What is the easiest way to start one? How about eat more fruits and vegetables? Drink enough water. Make sure to control your weight. Reduce stress. Unwind and relax. You deserve it after a hard day of work. Be more active. If the words exercise or workout puts you off, think of these step-in terms of physical activity or simply moving your body, and maintain relationships. Now then, let us proceed to the next topic, safety. It is no secret that safety policies and procedures are only effective when everyone understands them, critically thinks about them before performing work, and utilizes them properly. There are simple techniques that one could implement in their workplace to make people stop and think about safety before they begin their work. One example of this could be the acronym SAFE, which workers could use as a pre-planning tool before performing a hazardous job or task. S stands for stop and gather information regarding hazards. A stands for analyze the situation currently present. F stands for figure out additional resources that are needed to complete a task. And E stands for evaluate if you can safely proceed with work. An example would be following the safety protocols amidst the COVID pandemic. Following these health protocols not only protects yourself, but others as well. Fun fact, did you know? Infrared thermometers are ideal for taking temperature measurements at a distance. They provide relatively accurate temperatures without ever having to touch the object you're measuring.